Join me to paint a beautiful vintage style street lamp using watercolor, inspired by the elegant and intricate charm of Victorian design. Here is a step-by-step drawing process. In the last step, you will need to tilt your phone to portrait mode instead of landscape to view the overall sketch. You can screenshot the image and use it as a reference to copy the sketch for your painting. Also, I will be adding a link in the description where you can download the image to help with your drawing. First, I'm using a light value of indigo to paint the background using the wet on dry technique. You can also use the wet on wet technique if you prefer. While painting the background, I'm careful not to paint inside the glass of the lantern, but I do let the indigo pigment flow onto the metal parts of the lantern. After finishing the background, I tilt the board to let the excess pigment collect near the tape, which I then wipe off with a waistcloth. Next, I'm using Payne's Gray to paint the metal parts of the lantern. I also add a touch of burnt sienna to the decorative top of the lantern to create a brown shade, simulating how light would reflect on the metal. I repeat the same process of painting top part of the lantern using Payne's Gray and burnt sienna. The burnt sienna applied to the top portion of the lantern might not be clearly visible in this painting, but when you look closely, you will notice it helps to create the effect of light reflecting on the metal parts of the lantern. Next, to paint the light inside the lantern, I first wet the area inside the lantern. Then I apply Indian yellow. After that, I add a light value of burnt sienna on the left and right sides as well as the bottom part of the lantern. I didn't paint the area just below the lantern, so I filled that space with light value of indigo matching the background color. After that, using a dark value of Payne's Gray, I paint the pole which holds 4 lanterns. I repeat the same process of painting the light on the other 3 lanterns using the same pigments, Indian yellow and burnt sienna. For the metal parts, I use Payne's Gray. Now I'm using acrylic white to paint the snow on the lantern. You can also use gouache white if you have it, or leave it out if you prefer a different seasonal painting. Since I decided to create a winter scene, I added some snow on the lantern and also splattered the acrylic white to create a snowfall effect. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.